This video is sponsored by AE Juice. Hello everyone, welcome to AE Graphics. Let's preview what we are going to create today. Let's get started. Open After Effects. Create a new comp. I am renaming it to Silver Text Animation. I am using 1920 by 1080 resolution, 24 frames per second, 5 seconds long. Background color is black. And press OK. Now let's import our project files. Right-click on Project window, navigate to Import, and Files. Select the file and open. You can download the file from the link in description. Create a new comp. I am renaming it to Text. Make sure background color is black. And press OK. Now let's type our text. Go to Toolbar. And select the Horizontal Type tool. I am using Nexa Bold Font. Font color is white. Font size 300. Vertically scale 75. Also make sure all caps is turned on. You are free to choose your own values. Let's type our text. Silver. Align it to the center. And the anchor points too. Now our text is ready. Let's create noise effect. Create a new comp. I am renaming it as Noise. I am using 1920 by 1080 resolution, 24 frames per second, 5 seconds long. Background color is black. And press OK. Right-click on Timeline, navigate to New, and select Solid. I am renaming it as Noise. Background color is black. And press OK. Go to Effects and Presets and search for Fractal Noise. Drag and drop it to the Noise Solid layer. Now let's move to the Effect controls to adjust few settings. Change the fractal type to Turbulent Smooth. Contrast value to 150. Brightness as 10. Open Transform and change the rotation value as 17. Uncheck Uniform Scaling. Change the scale height to 3000. Also change the complexity to third. Now create a null object. Right-click on Timeline. Navigate to New and select Null Object. I am renaming it to Position. Make sure you are in the first frame. Now select the Noise Solid layer and parent it to the Position Null layer. If you don't find this option, right-click here, navigate to Columns, and select Parent and Link. Again, make sure you are in the first frame. Select the Position Null object. Press P to open its position, and set a keyframe on it, then move to the last frame, and change the X value as 1200. Now we have this moving animation. But here we have a background visible, so let's fix it. Go to Effects and Presets. Search for Motion Tile. Drag and drop it to the Noise Solid layer. Let's adjust few settings. Change the output width to 400. Also active mirror edges. Now we got our corners fixed. We all set for the final animation. Before we dive deeper into today's tutorial, I've got something amazing to share with you. AE Juice's Happy Holidays sale is here, and they're offering an insane 99% offer on their I Want It All bundle lifetime access. Get all of AE Juice's premium assets, animations, transitions, templates, plugins, and more for a lifetime at this incredible price. If you're looking for flexibility, they also have 50% offer on all access subscription plus free plugins to boost your workflow. Just click the links in the description to grab these deals before they're gone. This sale won't last long. Don't miss out on this amazing offer. Happy holidays and happy creating with AE Juice. Let's jump right back into today's tutorial. Move to Silver Text Animation Comp. Go to the project window, select the text comp, drag and drop it to the Silver Text Animation Comp. Again, go to the project window. Select the noise comp. Drag and drop it below the text comp. Now toggle between switches. Make sure the noise comp is selected, and change its track matte to alpha matte text if you don't find this option. Right-click here. Navigate to Columns, and select Modes. If we look into our animation, we can find only straight lines passing through. Let's make adjustments. Make sure the noise comp is selected. Go to Effects and Presets. Search for CC Glass. Double-click to apply on the noise comp. Let's make some adjustments. Open Surface. Change the bump map form, Noise to Text. Softness 65. Height 100. And displacement to 500. Let's add some depth to it again. Go to Effects and Presets. Search for CC Blobalize. Drag and drop it to the noise comp. Let's adjust few settings. Open Blobbiness, and change the blob layer from noise to text. I am happy with the other settings. If you want, you can adjust the softness and cut away values. As a final step, let's add light sweep to it. Go to Effects and Presets. Search for Light Sweep. Drag and drop it to the noise comp. Let's animate it. Make sure you are in the first frame. Set a keyframe on center. If we select the CC Light Sweep in Effects Controls, the center point will be visible here. I am moving it to the starting of the text. Then go to the last frame. Make sure the CC Light Sweep is selected and drag the center point to the end. The light color is not visible in our text, so I am changing it to yellow color. You are free to choose your desired colors. Now select the noise comp and press U in keyboard to open the keyframes. Now select both the keyframes. Right-click on any keyframe. Navigate to Keyframe Assistant and select Easy Ease. That's all. Our silver text animation is ready. Let's RAM preview. Hope you liked this tutorial. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out AE Juice for amazing After Effects tools that can take your projects to the next level. Link in the description. Do subscribe our channel for more videos. Let's learn together. Meet you in the next video. Good day.